Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I generate my thumbnail for my video. Here you can see these are the thumbnails. I actually generate all of them using AI. So in this video I'm going to show you how I can do this. So I'm going to go to the new tab and then I'm going to go for the chatgpt.com. okay, here at first I will actually select the title for the video and let's check a title. Here I have my video, some of my video here you can see. If I go for the desktop and then daily upload, so this is my video. You can see how to create login page using AI, let's say. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and then go back to the chat GPT. Here I'm going to go to the chat GPT and here I'm going to paste it and I'm going to ask for title, description, text, hashtags. Okay, I'll hit enter and then it will give me title, then description, then hashtags and then text. So I actually don't need this. I need a thumbnail, right? Now I will ask for thumbnail. I will say now generate a thumbnail of 16:9. Okay, 16:9 ratio. Now I'll hit enter, then it will generate a 16:9. I mean full HD thumbnail, okay, for me. Now why I actually need to do this? Because if I actually just say that how to create a login page, so this is my video title and now generate any thumbnail for me, then the thumbnail will be just a simple thumbnail. I mean there will be no professional look. So for this I have to actually generate the title, then description, then hashtag, then text. Then here you can see I have lots of information here, right? So now if I ask for a prompt, thumbnail, here you can see it will now go through these and then it will generate a fully functional, fully professional thumbnail, okay, with by using this information. Now it has lots of information, you can see. Now it will generate a professional thumbnail. Here you can see. Now I can download this, okay, then there will be no watermark, okay, and you can change the aspect ratio from here also, but I have already mentioned 16:9. And here you can see a fully professional thumbnail, right? So this is how actually I make a thumbnail for my videos. You can see here. If I go here, you can see. I hope you understand, and if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.